Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor. It is select blaster football time. 10 of these bad boys, hoping to get a bunch of sweet cards, numbered cards, zebra maybe. I wouldn't mind an autograph or a mem card, and then a whole bunch of sweet die-cut rookies. Hopefully that's what's going to show up for us tonight. Thank y'all so much for joining in. For the people new to my Facebook group, and I know we've got several, I want to take just a moment to let you know how this break is going to go. I'm going to show you every single card in this break. What's up, Michael? I'm going to call all players by name, and I'm going to call out what team they play for. My goal is for you to know every card you're getting before the video is over. I've been pretty hot. I hope it continues tonight. I also ship all cards, including the base. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and mega stars will at least be sleeved up, if not top-loaded. And these cards will ship out tomorrow. 3 red and blue prism die cuts per box and 1 silver die cut per box. We just need those to be big names. Autographs, numbered cards, mem cards, zebras. Let's hope it's a fun night. I had a fun break yesterday. I hope we have a fun one tonight. Here we go. How about some first pack magic? We start with Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboys. Tyson Williams, Ravens rookie. Here comes a Trevor Lawrence, Jacksonville Jaguar turbocharged rookie. And we got a silver die cut, Jared Goff to the Lions. Well, first pack, and we already have a Trevor Lawrence. He's playing well. There's actually 4 downtowns, but definitely SSPs. It was insane. All right, pack 2. There you go. Denver Broncos, Javonte Williams, followed by David Johnson, Texans. Hidden Talents, Marquise Colston, Saints. And Premier Level, Trevor Lawrence. Bam, 2 packs. 2 Trevor Lawrences at this rate. We're going to get a bunch of them. I doubt we can keep up with 1 Trevor Lawrence per pack, but you know what? Until we don't get one, let's try. Des Fitzpatrick, Titans rookie. Here's Juju Smith-Schuster, Pittsburgh, the red and blue die cut. Azeez Ojulari, Giants rookie. And our first club level is a Dallas Cowboys Semi Fehoko rookie. Rashawn Slater, Chargers rookie. Zach Wilson, New York Jets rookie. Here comes a numbers. It's Russell Wilson, Seahawks. And how about Tom Brady, Premier Level to the Buccaneers. Ooh, that pack feels a little thicker. Hoping we got a mem. We'll get to that in a minute. Here's Dwayne Eskridge, rookie Seahawks. And looky here. We've got a white, I believe. Let's look at the rest of them first. Trey Sermon, 49ers rookie. Red and blue die cut. Devontae Smith to the Eagles. And let's see what we got here. Oh, it's not a white one. It's turned around. Oh, boy. Green die cut GOAT. Tom Brady. It is numbered 91 out of 349. Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Tom Brady numbered die cut. Christopher, there's your man. Our first Devontae die cut. And now I'm hoping we have a mem card. That'd be a good box. Yes, we do. Here's Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City. From the back, we got a Nick Chubb, Cleveland Browns. The die cut, Jalen Darden, Tampa Bay Buccaneers rookie. And the mem card. Oh, Justin Fields to the Bears. Wow. Tim, there you go. Well. Box number 2. Let's keep rolling. Elijah Moore, Titans rookie. Devontae Adams, Green Bay. Numbers, DeAndre Swift, Lions. Club level, silver die cut, rookie. Dez Fitzpatrick, Tennessee. Club level is the hardest to get. Michael Carter, Jets rookie. Miles Sanders, Eagles. We have a certified Davis Mills to the Texans. And Russell Wilson, Seahawks. That's a premier level. Our first certified is one of our big-name rookie quarterbacks. Micah Parsons, Dallas Cowboys. There's another Trevor Lawrence, Jacksonville, the red and blue die cut. Pat Freiermuth, Pittsburgh Steelers rookie. And the club level is Darnell Mooney, Bears. Third Trevor Lawrence already. Tom Brady, Tampa Bay. Baker Mayfield, Browns. Josh Allen, turbocharged Buffalo. Washington gets a Jamin Davis premier level rookie. Trey Sermon, 49ers. Daniel Jones, Giants. So Trey Sermon's a rookie, by the way. Red and blue die cut, Patrick Mahomes. Oh, we got Tom Brady in a die cut, and now we have Patrick Mahomes. The Brady was numbered. The Mahomes is sweet. And our first Trey Lance, 49ers. Great start on getting the big-name rookie quarterbacks. We're just missing Mac Jones right now. Here's Semi Fehoko, Cowboys rookie. Charles Woodson, Raiders. Club level, red and blue die-cut rookie. Kenneth Gainwell to the Eagles. And the box ends with J.J. Watt to the Cardinals. That was another good one. Yeah, I'm ready for some Najee too. Here's Kellen Mond, rookie Vikings. Tua Tagovailoa, Dolphins. Jamar Chase, turbocharged Bengals. And Christian McCaffrey, Panthers. Ian Book, rookie Saints. Joe Montana, Niners. Red and blue die cut, Vikings. Justin Jefferson, that's sweet. Club level, Josh Palmer, rookie Chargers. Hunter Long, rookie Dolphins. Tyreek Hill, Kansas City. Hidden talents, Mark Brunell, Jacksonville. And another Davis Mills rookie. This time it's a premier level to the Texans. Second Davis Mills. Ramondre Stevenson, Patriots rookie. Rob Gronkowski, Bucks. Red and blue die cut rookie. Jacob Harris, Rams. And Kirk Cousins, Vikings. Joe Tryon Showinga, rookie to the Buccaneers. Jacob Harris, Rams, premier level. The red and blue die cut is Jacob Harris to the Rams. Boy, Jacob Harris hot the last couple of packs. But we got us a numbered bronze, and it is Tyson Williams. Rookie to the Ravens, 91 out of 199. The Tom Brady was 91. Now the Tyson Williams is 91. All right, another Jamar Chase, Bengals rookie. Lamar Jackson, Ravens. We've got a Ryan Tannehill numbers for the Titans and another silver club level die cut. And it's another Tennessee Titan, Caleb Farley. I believe we got Dez Fitzpatrick on the last one. So Titans getting some nice club level silver die cut rookies. On to box 4. Two numbered cards and a mem card out of the first 3 boxes. Okay, Mar Smith, Marset, Vikings rookie, Marshall Faulk, Rams, Trey Lance, turbocharged, and it is silver. '49ers. And the Jets get an Elijah Moore Premier Level rookie. Chris Evans rookie, Bengals. Travis Etienne Jr. rookie, Jaguars. Red and blue die cut, Derek Carr Raiders. And club level Brevin Jordan rookie, Texans. Teddy Bridgewater Broncos. Nico Collins Texans rookie, certified. Rondell Moore Arizona. Aaron Rodgers Green Bay. Not sure what those white specks are. Boogie Basham rookie, Buffalo. Justin Fields again for the Bears. Red and blue die cut. Tyson Campbell rookie, Jacksonville. And Michael Carter rookie, Jets is a premier level. Second, Justin Fields. The first one had some cloth on it. David Montgomery Bears, Josh Palmer Chargers rookie, red and blue, club level die cut rookie, Seahawks, Dwayne Eskridge, and the Eagles get a Jalen Hurts. Boy, he's off to a great start. Oh, I'll get you another one, I hope. Here's Nelson Aguilar Patriots, Kenneth Gainwell Eagles rookie, turbocharged, Zach Wilson Jets, and our silver die cut. Oh boy. Cincinnati Bengals, silver Joe Burrow die cut. We've got Brady, we've got Mahomes, and we've got Burrow die cuts already. Box 5, the last box of the first half of the break. Jalen Camp, rookie, Jacksonville. Rashad Bateman, rookie, Ravens. Hidden Talents, James Harrison, Pittsburgh. Silver die cut, Jacksonville rookie, Travis Etienne Jr. Jared Goff, Lions. Anthony Schwartz, Browns rookie. Numbers, Justin Jefferson, Vikings. And the Rams get a Tutu Atwell rookie. Quinnen Williams, Jets. Mac Jones finally joins the show for the Patriots. Red and blue die cut, DJ Chark, Jacksonville, and a club level Josh Palmer to the Chargers. We now have all 6 of my big rookie quarterbacks at least once. Joe Burrow, Bengals. De'Ami Brown, rookie, Washington. Certified Mac Jones again. Back-to-back packs for the Patriots. And the Chargers get a Keenan Allen. We got 3 T-Laws. I think a couple of Trey Lances. A couple of Justin Fields. Now a couple of Mac Joneses. And we have another mem card. Okay. We'll look at that in a second. See our second mem card of the first half of the break. Mar Smith, Marset, Vikings rookie. Trey Nixon, Patriots rookie. The red and blue die cut, Kenny Nakwangu, Vikings rookie. And a white Rondell Moore. White. Numbered 12. Out of only 99, Arizona Cardinals rookie Rondell Moore. That's a pretty good one. And now for another mem. Jameis Winston Saints. Shannon Sharp Broncos. The red and blue die cut. Dwayne Eskridge, his second die cut for the Seahawks rookie, and the mem. And it is Elijah Moore, Draft Selections, New York Jets rookie mem. That's a pretty good first half of the break. In 5 boxes, we got 3 numbered cards, and we got 2 mem cards, unless I've overlooked one. Josh Palmer, Chargers rookie. Nelson Aguilar, Patriots. Derrick Henry, Turbocharged Titans. James Robinson, Jacksonville. Kenneth Gainwell, rookie to the Eagles. Tony Gonzalez, Kansas City. Red and blue die cut. Tua Tagovailoa, Miami Dolphins. Terry McLaurin, Washington is a club level. Zach Davidson, Vikings rookie. There he is. Najee Harris is here for the Steelers. Here's a Tom Brady, Hidden Talents to the Patriots. And Kenny Nakwangu, Vikings rookie. Zeke Elliott, Cowboys. Antonio Gibson, Washington. Red and blue die cut. Stephon Diggs, Buffalo. Jimmy Garoppolo, 49ers. Azeez Ojulari, Giants rookie. Devontae Smith, Eagles rookie. Club level TJ Watt, red and blue die cut, Pittsburgh, and Peyton Turner, Saints rookie. Last pack of box 6. Sam Darnold, Panthers. Davis Mills, rookie to the Texans. Josh Allen, numbers for the Buffalo Bills. And our silver die cut is Jared Goff to the Detroit Lions. All right, Dwayne Eskridge, rookie Seahawks. Derek Gore, rookie Kansas City. Hidden Talents, Rod Smith, Broncos. Silver die cuts in the first pack this time. And it's a Cowboys rookie, Semi Fehoko. Troy Polamalu, Pittsburgh. Sam Emlinger, Colts rookie. Numbers, Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City. And there's a Matt Ryan, Falcons. Elijah Moore, Jets rookie. Devontae Adams, Green Bay. Red and blue die cut is Nico Collins to the Texans. Club level, Michael Carter, rookie to the Jets. Well, now we didn't get a number card or anything in box 6. We don't want that to happen in box 7 too. Michael Carter, Jets rookie. Miles Sanders, Eagles. Certified, Kyle Trask, Tampa Bay. And Terrence Marshall Jr., Panthers rookie. Micah Parsons, Cowboys rookie. T-Law, Jaguars rookie. Red and blue die cut, James Robinson, Jacksonville. And Aaron Donald to the Rams. 4th, Trevor Lawrence. He's kind of leading the way on number of cards, but I don't believe we have him in any color. Tom Brady, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Jalen Darden, Buccaneers rookie. Red and blue die cut, Boogie Basham rookie, Buffalo. And we have a numbered card. It's an orange rookie, Tylan Wallace to the Ravens, 238 out of 249. Peyton Manning Colts, Pat Freiermuth Pittsburgh Steelers rookie, numbers, another Josh Allen Buffalo, and the silver die cut going to Maddie and the Rams, Marshall Faulk. DJ Chark Jacksonville, Debo Samuel Niners certified, Travis Etienne Jr. Jacksonville, and a Kenny Nakwangu Vikings rookie. Eric Stokes Green Bay Packer rookie, Kenny Nakwangu Vikings rookie. Red and blue die cut, Lamar Jackson to the Ravens, and there's a club level Nico Collins rookie, Houston. Come on, autographer Zebra. Kyle Pitts, first rookie for the Falcons. Calvin Ridley also to the Falcons. Here's a Kyler Murray turbocharge, Arizona, and Jimmy G to the Niners. Terrence Marshall Jr. Panthers rookie, Matthew Stafford Rams, the red and blue die cut. Pittsburgh, Ben Roethlisberger, and Peyton Turner Saints rookie. Jalen Darden Bucks rookie. Kyle Pitts again, Atlanta Falcons rookie. This time it's a premier level. Red and blue die cut. Tampa Bay Buccaneers rookie Kyle Trask. And we have a green Jamar Jefferson rookie. Detroit Lions 258 out of 349. Seeing this Jamar Jefferson makes me realize we don't have any among St. Browns. But we do get a Jamar Jefferson green numbered die cut. 2 boxes to go. We really don't have the die cuts of the big rookies. We got some nice die cuts, but not the big rookies. Got 2 boxes to change that. Here's Javonte Williams, Broncos rookie. David Johnson, Texans. Another Kyle Pitts, third in about 3 packs for the Falcons. And the silver die cut is a Bengals rookie. It's Chris Evans. Des Fitzpatrick, Titans rookie. Juju Smith-Schuster, Pittsburgh. Numbers, silver. Prism, Nick Chubb, Browns, and Jamar Jefferson, Lions rookie. Rashad Slater, Chargers. Mr. Zach Wilson again for the New York Jets. Red and blue die cut. Tylan Wallace, Ravens. And a Klua club level. Chicago Bear rookie. Justin Fields, club level. We haven't gotten too many total club levels tonight, and we got a big name right there. We don't have Waddle yet either. That's not good. Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City. Dwayne Eskridge, Seahawks rookie. Hidden talents, Richard Dent, Bears, and Rondale Moore, Arizona. Wow, boy, a break or 2 back, I got like 6 Jalen Waddles, it seems like. Here's Derek Gore, Kansas City rookie. Troy Polamalu, Pittsburgh. Red and blue die cut. New York Jets. Premier level. There's one of the big name rookies in a die cut that I was just asking about. And the Jets get it. Zach Wilson. Jonathan Taylor, Colts. Last pack, blaster number 9. Sam Emlinger, Colts rookie. Oh boy, Zach Wilson again, and it's bronze. And it's numbered. 126 out of 249. Jets are rolling. Here's a red and blue die cut Peyton Manning Colts, and Mr. St. Brown said, I heard you. I heard you. Here I am. Now Waddle needs to come through. I want more than one, but at this point, if I don't have one, I need one. Let's call this the zebra box. I'm going to rub these hands together and see if we can pull a zebra. Here we go. Kyler Murray, Cardinals. Tutu Atwell, Rams rookie. Numbers, Herbert, Chargers. And silver club level die cut rookie, Tutu Atwell to the Rams. Justin Herbert Chargers. Tony Romo Cowboys. Certified Kyle Pitts. Boy, he got hot late. Kenny Nakwangu Vikings. Tyson Williams, rookie to the Ravens. Javonte Williams, rookie to the Broncos. Red and blue die cut, Teddy Bridgewater Broncos. Aaron Jones, club level, Green Bay Packers. David Johnson, Texans. Des Fitzpatrick, Titans rookie. Turbocharged, DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals. And Jimmy G, 49ers. We are 2 packs away from being over. Come on, give me some hits. Juju to the Steelers. Rashad Slater, Chargers. Red and blue die cut. Pat Freiermuth, Pittsburgh. And Peyton Turner, Saints rookie. Well, if we're going to get a zebra, it's going to have to be in this pack right here. We do start with Zach Wilson, Jets. Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City. Kyle Pitts again to the Falcons. And we're going to end with a red and blue die cut club level rookie. De'Ami Brown to Washington. Well, let me show you what we got. Not bad. Zach Wilson Concourse ×2. Justin Fields club level, Trevor Lawrence Concourse. Certified Mac Jones Concourse, Mac Jones. Turbocharged Zach Wilson Concourse, Justin Fields. Turbocharged Silver, Trey Lance. Jamar Chase Concourse and Jamar Chase Turbocharged. Premier level Trey Lance Concourse Lawrence. Another Zach Wilson Concourse, Premier level Trevor Lawrence and Turbocharged Trevor Lawrence. We got a red and blue die-cut prism rookie of Zach Wilson. Silver Joe Burrow die-cut. Red and blue Patrick Mahomes die-cut. Red and blue Devontae Smith die-cut. Mem card, draft selections, Elijah Moore Jets. And a mem card of Justin Fields to the Bears. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbered cards in the 10 boxes. Green Jamar Jefferson rookie out of 349. Orange Tylan Wallace rookie out of 249. White Rondell Moore rookie out of 99. Bronze Tyson Williams rookie out of 199. Green Tom Brady die cut out of 349. And a bronze Zach Wilson die cut out of 249. Thank y'all very much. I'll be back Friday with some eBay and Facebook breaks. I hope to see you then. Good night.